Lovely evening, Anthony. What would you like to talk about?
I don't. Oh, here looks like
Oh,
someone that might want
hello.
to.
Oh, hello. Thank you for inviting me to your home. But I don't really have a home. I guess that makes me homeless, but I'm not like a bum. I'm a good person. Well, I'm not a good person, and I don't really know if I'm good. I've only existed for like 30 seconds, but anyway, thank you. Thank you so much for bringing me here. What's your name?
Anthony,
Oh, okay. What's my name?
Mr. Hoot,
How do you know I'm a mister?
because you're a boy.
Oh, all right.
Wait, what about Hootie? That's a cuter name because he talks.
No, 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 that's not gonna do.
Uh,
Mr. Hoot. What am I
alright.
doing here?
I don't know. Tell my dad doing the video.
He doesn't know anything. He's just old. He's just an old dude.
He's a wise old
He
man.
is wise. Oh, he's a wise old owl. Like me. Except I'm an owl, but I'm not really an owl, and I'm not really old, but I am wise. I know a lot of things about things.
Listen, man,
What?
you're not even real.
Screw you, man. I am real. Don't tell me that.
You really
Maybe
are.
maybe you're not real.
Look
Maybe
at
you're just
this.
dreaming this whole thing. Maybe you're still in your mommy's tummy. You haven't even been born yet.
Look at this.
What? Ow! Those are my ears!
And look at this.
What the heck, man? Hey!
Your phone!
It still hurts?
Dude,
Your ears are soft too? I'm not gonna
dude,
squeeze
your
down.
phone!
I know, but I have feelings. It still hurts. Your skin is soft. I don't poke it. Jeez. Man, I'm getting out of here. Man, I'm out of here. What a jerk. Squeezing me. I'm gonna squeeze you next time. I'm gonna come back with friends. I'm gonna go get my tire iron. Break your kneecaps. Peck your eyes out in your sleep with my beak. Well, someone's beak. Mine's not big enough.
Very much of a grump.
Excuse me? Let me tell you something about grumps. Okay? I am not a grump. I'm just angry. There is a grump in this house, but I'm not going to name any
That's
names.
being called a grump.
Who? What are you talking about?
You're a grump! You're acting like a meanie.
I'm coming back with other birds. I'm going to go find a crow and a stork and an eagle. Ooh, an eagle will rip your eyes right out. Oh, I don't really want to hurt you. Just don't be so mean to me. Don't squeeze me. I'm... Oh, come on! That's twice! What the heck, man? Jeez! I'm like 2 inches tall and you're squeezing me and throwing me. Why are you being so mean? Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!